Hey there, tech fans! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the best deals on amazing products that won't break the bank. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a steal of an offer, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen. Now, before we get started, let's talk about what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd. For starters, it boasts an incredible AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, which might sound like technical jargon to some of you, but trust me, it's a beast. In plain English, this processor is a powerhouse that can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Think of it as the brain of your laptop, making everything run smoothly and efficiently. But what really sets the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen apart is its impressive graphics capabilities, thanks to the integrated Radeon 680M graphics. You might wonder, what's the deal with these fancy graphics? Well, in simple terms, this means you'll get stunning visuals and crisp performance, making it perfect for gaming, video editing, or even just browsing the web. Now, let's talk about display and audio. This laptop features a gorgeous 16-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 IPS anti-glare screen, which is essentially a super high-quality display that will make everything look amazing. Imagine having a beautiful desktop or watching videos on this screen. It's a treat for the eyes. And if you're worried about audio quality, don't be. This laptop boasts Dolby Atmos and Harman stereo speakers, making your listening experience almost cinematic. But what really gets me excited is the memory and storage. This laptop comes equipped with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD. That's like a super fast hard drive. In simple terms, this means you'll have plenty of room for all your files, programs, and data, making it perfect for professionals, students, or anyone who needs to stay organized. Now, let's not forget about connectivity. This laptop has Wi-Fi 6E, which is like the fastest internet connection ever. Think of it as the 5G of Wi-Fi. You'll also get Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C ports with PD and DP, HDMI 2.1 for 4K at 60 Hz, RJ45 Ethernet, and more. In short, this laptop is perfectly connected to the world. But wait, there's more. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen also features advanced security measures like TPM 2.0, a fingerprint reader, powered by the button, IR facial recognition, and Windows 11 Pro, making it an ideal choice for business, education, or hybrid work setups. Last but not least, let's talk about the build quality. This laptop has a sleek, thin chassis that's both durable and stylish. You'll also get a backlit English EU keyboard, which is perfect for late-night typing sessions. So, what does it all add up to? A powerhouse of a laptop that's packed with features, stunning display, and impressive performance, all at an unbeatable price. If you're looking for a steal of a deal, I highly recommend checking out the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen. Trust me, you won't regret it. Want to snag this incredible offer for yourself? Click the link below to get the best price on the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen. Your wallet and productivity will thank you.